I'm making a punch and tong set for someone. The punches are this round punch you see here. It's 6 millimeters on the business end. And you got a slot punch. By the way, these are all, as you can see, H13 steel and a hot cutter. These are tools that I use myself quite often. So I need a tong to hold these, and so that's what today's video is going to be. Me making a punch tong. Given the punches are 19 millimeters in diameter, that mark roughly indicates how much I need for the jaws. I want to make this tong in a bit of a more traditional way and without any sort of grinding. I need to give a shout out to two guys for their recent, very generous donations to the channel. They are Chris Scarlett and George Calce. I appreciate you guys going the extra mile to help the channel out. Thanks very much. So I need to push those jaws down a little bit so that the handles will come closer together. By the way, if anyone is interested in getting a punch and tong set, you might want to contact me now. It's been hard for me to find this good H13 steel, the stuff that the punches are made from, and I did find a little bit, but after this I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it again. I have a tendency to pull my hammer towards me when I'm hammering. So when I do a rivet, I have to consciously push away on the first few blows to make sure that I get the rivet to spread out evenly. Sometimes adjusting tongs can be a little bit tricky, but if you've done a good job on the two halves, on making them even if they're an identical halved pair, and also if you've considered the sizing and how you have to space everything, then adjusting becomes a lot more easy. The tong jaws are still warm, and so I decide to go with my old school brass brush treatment. So that's all there is to it. To me, if I don't have to do any grinding, then that's the best of all. I can offer these punches with permanent handles, and that's pretty nice for convenience, but having the tong is also good because you can rotate the punches as you wish. And you can also dress the punches when they need dressing much more easily. I wish everyone has a happy new year and a wonderful 2026. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.